Hi, in this quick video I want to show you how it exactly looks like to integrate Viral Inbox in one of your own sites, and I'll show this to you at the example of how we integrated it here in viralurl.com. And before I show you a few words to what it basically does, when you as a site owner notice that certain email addresses or certain ISPs that members use, you can have issues to deliver them to, like for example AOL.com is a big problem for all of us marketers. Yahoo, Hotmail tend to be problematic too, depending on how many emails you send out regularly. So if you have ISPs like those and you prefer people not really to use that kind of ISPs, like meaning email addresses like an AOL test at AOL.com, you don't want them to use AOL.com, for example. You would prefer them to use something else. Well, until now it was probably Gmail that you wanted to them, but I heard even Gmail is starting to tighten up a little bit more. But the great thing is, if you do a joint venture here with us, we actually have we are an ISP basically. We provide email addresses for members that specifically for internet marketers with Viral Inbox, which is specifically help them to generate additional traffic, get rid of spam, etc., etc. Anyway, enough of that. So basically what you can do is to make sure or to recommend to them to use a Viral Inbox account instead of, for example, AOL, instead of, for example, Hotmail or Yahoo. And the good thing is you yourself choose what kind of ISPs you would prefer them to, where you want, what kind of ISPs you want to recommend to them to use Viral Inbox instead. If you have no problem, for example, with Gmail accounts, well, then this kind of thing that we're going to show you here next will not happen if somebody tries the Gmail account. Let me give you an example. Somebody wants to sign up here at Viral URL, let's say for example with test@gmail.com, and we don't have a problem with Gmail, we don't mind if they use it, so we don't want to bother them. So if they go now off this field, nothing happens as expected. Now if they on the other hand try to use an AOL address and we don't like the AOL, then if they go off the field, what happens there is that a light box appears and it says, wait, instead of AOL.com, we highly recommend viralinbox.com. And right now what we show here, what we use here on the site is what we call the two-step approach, meaning this light over box shows up and it tells them why you think they should use Viral Inbox, and then they can click on this button here at the bottom or simply close the window and use another email address or continue using the one that they entered. So if I close it now, still it's there. I can continue signing up with the AOL address if I prefer. But let's go back there. If I'm like, oh, okay, maybe AOL.com is not a good solution because, there's problems with emails getting through to there. Well, let's take a look at the Viral Inbox email account that they're recommending me. They click on this, and this is another little bit customized site where it says, unlike AOL, fill out the form and get a free Viral Inbox account. Then continue your sign up to viralurl.com. And let me just pause this video here before it starts blurring to us here. So this page here will then show here, instead of viralurl.com, of course, your own site name. And when people fill it out, they're still on your page, as you see here in the background. It's just a light box over your own page. So they never leave your page. And when they sign up here, I'm not going to do this here, but I'll just explain it quickly to you. We don't show them then OTO right away. We don't want to interrupt their process of signing up to your particular site. So what we decided to do is, instead of showing them an OTO right away, we just give them a specific email address that we set up for them that they should use with your particular account. For example, if I sign up here for an email address, let's say, for example, to frank@easyvib.com, let's say that for example, then it will return, and I try to sign up for viralurl.com. What's going to happen is once I sign up here, in this lightbox still, it will show the finished email address that they should use on your sign up form, and it will tell them, copy this email address, click on this little close button here in the corner, upper right corner, and then continue with your sign up process at viralurl.com. It will again mention your site name. So it will feel to them like they're the whole time on your system, that they never left your site. And so once they did that, they got the email address, they copied it, they closed it, then I'll simply paste it in here, the new one that they got, and continue the sign up process. It's as simple as that. And again, the good thing here is that you have 100% control over what kind of ISPs you want to show this recommendation, this cross integration with viral inbox and with which ones you don't want to show it. And then the second choice is you have the choice between this two-step approach that you showed it here and a one-step approach where instead of showing this page where it just tells them a bit more and it gives them a button here and then tells them or simply close it to use another email address. The one-step one is basically this one stays away and they right away end up on this page here. And here again, you see the customization here. You try to sign up using test@aol.com because aol.com often filters out emails that you receive. We suggest you use a viral inbox email address instead. Really simple, really clean. And then if they don't like it, they can always just simply close and continue with the sign up process on your page. So they are hardly at all interrupted. And since they don't show them the OTO right away on our side, they won't get confused what's happening. What am I signing up for here now? They just get their email address, the new one, and then they continue the process on your side. And that's what makes it really easy to integrate this thing, and really easy also on your members that sign up for your site. Now, obviously this requires a little bit of integration here, and we provide with all the details how that works. But also, if you have at any point any problems with getting it integrated, just let me know. I'm definitely happy to help you there to get it properly integrated so it works really nicely on your sites as well. And by the way, in our case, for example, we have multiple sign-up forms here. So if somebody scrolls down and uses another sign-up form down here, same thing happens. So it's working no matter how many sign-up forms you have on your page. Let me just show it here. So I come off AOL, same thing happens again. And yeah, that's all to this video. If you have any questions regarding how this cross integration works and how it can benefit both of us, your site owners, you getting your emails through, and your members not having problems with getting their double opt-in for confirmation emails, etc., then just let me know. One last thing also, and that's something specifically for you, our JV partners. If you have a site there and you want to make 100% sure that 100% of your emails reach us, or not reach our email members, the ones that use viral inbox email addresses, we can whitelist your domains or your site server's IP address, which is the one where you send your emails from. That way we can guarantee that 100% of your emails get delivered, and no more filtering out, no more stuff like that. And obviously we offer that only for people that cross-integrate with us using this particular form here, but that's something that is an added benefit for you to get your emails through. Okay, again, thanks a lot for watching this kind of long video here now. Let me know if you got any questions, and we get this set up as soon as possible, and both benefit from this massively. Thanks a lot and have an awesome day.